Hello viewers, good evening. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing Chukwemeka. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload an important video, you will be the first person to see it. Okay, today we are going to make garden egg sauce, garden egg stew, eggplant, and white rice. Without wasting time, these are the ingredients. We have the eggplant, we have the garden egg, we have the red oil, we have the maggi, we have the onions, salt, pepper. Right now, our rice is already cooking on the fire, it's already done. You see it? We are done with the rice. This is the already cooked garden egg. I cooked it with ordinary water after I pound it. You see, you can see the mortar there. So right now is the oil, the red oil only inside the pot. You put your onion. I'm going to stir it and leave it to fry a little bit. After that, I'm going to add the parts, the garden egg parts, the one I've already pounded. I'll add it and stir it. I add my maggi, salt and piment. Piment is pepper, sorry, in French. So I add all those things. After, I leave it to cook for some time while I cover the pot. After that, I open it, put a little bit of water the way I need it, the consistency I need. I don't need it to be so watery. So once I'm done, I cover it, stir it and cover it. After some time, you come and check it, it's done. It's very simple. Anybody can do it, anybody can cook it. You see, if you follow this video very well, you will see and you will understand that it's so simple to make. It's very easy to make. You will love it and it's super yummy. You eat it with rice, you can eat it with yam, white yam. But it's very sweet and very yummy. You will love it and very delicious and nutritious too because it's vegetable. This is me adding the maggi. The salt. I don't like plenty salt, so I use a small quantity of salt.